animals that live on land are called terrestrial animals. Example: lion, tiger. Polar animals, animals that live in the polar regions are called polar animals. Example: polar bear. Aquatic animal, animal that live in the water are called aquatic animal. Example: fish. Amphibians, animals that live on both land and water are called amphibians. Example: frog, crocodile. Thank you, ma'am.